In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Tradingview to find detailed information on the NASDAQ Composite Index, a crucial resource for anyone interested in tracking market trends or making informed investment decisions. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding of how to efficiently use this powerful tool, whether you're on the web or using the app. First, open up Tradingview. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you can simply use the web version by visiting their website. Tradingview offers a sleek and comprehensive interface that serves both beginners and experienced investors alike, providing a range of options and data to analyze the stock market. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, direct your attention to the search bar. This is typically located at the top of the page, easy to spot whether you're making your way through the app or the browser. In the search bar, type in NASDAQ IXIC. What this does is it directs Tradingview to pinpoint and bring up the index you're interested in. NASDAQ IXIC is the identifier for the NASDAQ Composite Index, which encompasses over 3,000 stocks from the tech-heavy NASDAQ stock exchange. It's a vital index for anyone keeping an eye on technology sector trends or gauging the overall market sentiment at any given time. As you type NASDAQ XIC, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select the NASDAQ Composite Index, listed as IXIC. This step is crucial as it ensures you're accessing the correct dataset. Tradingview pulls information from various stock exchanges, so selecting the right option from the drop-down is essential to avoid any discrepancies in your data analysis. Once you've clicked on NASDAQ Composite Index, IXIC, you'll see the interface shift to present you with a detailed chart and comprehensive information for the index. This chart is your window into past and current market performance, featuring a range of visual tools that can help you interpret stock movements, track trends, and even predict future shifts based on historical data. Keep in mind, the Tradingview platform allows for customization, so take the time to familiarize yourself with the different chart settings and indicators available. You can adjust the time frames, add specific data overlays, and make use of the various analytical tools to tailor the chart to your specific needs. Utilizing Tradingview to follow the NASDAQ Composite Index can significantly augment your investment strategy by providing you with access to critical and up-to-date market data. Remember to fully explore the features available to make the most out of this invaluable financial resource. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on effectively harnessing financial technology to optimize your trading experience.